So we're in the Connect section. Again, you'll normally come into the new feedback space. We're going to look at shared member feedback right now. And what we'll accumulate here is all shared member feedback over time. But you'll see a difference here between these notes. This one here for Krista is in progress. This one here for Rudy is closed. So that means that it's been archived. So what we're looking at here is just what's been shared, and it's a place where you can go to see, oh, okay, what's going on within the club. And this will typically be stuff that the team needs to see. And the shared feedback tab's really simple and pretty basic.